sure do like to share your opinions, talking big like somebody's listening. Nobody's listening. It's all fun and games until it doesn't. Toss me out, I'll hit the ignition. Now you listen. Hop up in the window. Smile on your fade out. Hop up in the window. Yeah. You cannot get my vibe, no, there's no way. I'm flying high above all your gravity, trying to bring me down, but I'm never stay. Hey, watch me levitate.
Welcome to the largest indoor water park in all of North America. This is DreamWorks Water Park. It's only 20 minutes away from New York City, and today is a special day because it's my birthday. This was gifted to me by my girl, Jennifer. Thank you very much. Alright, so let's go do some celebrating.
Watch me levitate. Hey, watch me levitate. Try to paint me like a no-name, so sorry, but we're not the same. No, we're not the same. Boo-hoo, poor you, please forgive me, cause I don't feel any pity. I'm fed up with lies, you wanted my demise. Now you're watching me rise, rise, rise. Up in the window, smile, you fade out. Up in the window, yeah. You cannot get my vibe, no, there's no way. I'm flying high above all your gravity, trying to bring me down, but I'll never stay. Hey, watch me levitate. You cannot get my vibe, no, there's no way. You can say what you want, throw me insane, trying to bring me down, but I'll never stay. Hey, watch me levitate.
plastic, don't gotta flex. I know what you asking, you need a lift, you look like you crashing. Here it come, what's in my cup? Only top shelf. Drink that, what's in my leaf? Gon' stake this whole place out. Big facts, I do what I want, I do what it does. I'm moving around, I'm getting the love. It's me that you want, my schedule is plugged. But I'm here now, all I really wanna know, when we leaving, all I really need to know is when we leaving, all I really wanna know, when we leaving, all I really need to know is when we leaving.
We are going all the way up to do the steepest drop in the world. Oh my god, I don't think I can do this.
That looks scary.
Yeah, it's very scary. We're only halfway up. We gotta keep going.
Are you doing it?
Am I doing it? Are you doing it?
I want.
You're the bravest one here. I think you can manage. We had a great time at this indoor water park, one of the best water parks, at least for an indoor one, and definitely one of the best water parks I've ever been to. And we're gonna call it a day. I had one of the best birthdays of my life, thanks to Jennifer. And we're gonna be going back to New York City, but the celebration will continue. I'm gonna be seeing my family later on tonight, celebrate with them, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Peace out.